1 year ago, I made a bold decision to completely demolish my family's 15-year-old cluttered old garden and rebuild it from scratch. Today, looking at this new British-style haven in front of me, even I find it incredible. After all, before the renovation, I knew absolutely nothing about garden design. At the start of the project, I was a total novice. To create my ideal garden, I adopted a learn-as-I-build approach. I researched various materials every night, filling my phone's photo album with screenshots of British garden cases I loved. During the day, I communicated repeatedly with the construction workers about every detail, from the vintage effect of red bricks with white mortar joints, the way to the curve of the arch, and the size of the flower racks. I checked everything with the workers bit by bit, using my research materials, fearing even the smallest mistakes. The entire renovation took only 12 days, and the total cost was kept under 10,000 yuan. Its cost-effectiveness exceeded all my expectations. The new garden is based on modern British style, with red bricks and white mortar joints as a consistent element. The large British red brick archway is even the soul of the entire garden. The simplicity of the red bricks combined with the freshness of the white mortar joints creates a natural vintage effect that feels like it has stood the test of time. Whether the morning sun shines on it or the evening glow reflects off the arching way, it exudes a unique beauty. For this renovation, I deliberately designed a clear zoning layout for the garden, completely saying goodbye to its former messy state. The area near the terrace is a gathering space, where a set of simple outdoor tables and chairs allows my family and friends to sit around, drink tea, and chat on weekends. A small vegetable bed was built on the side, planted with various vegetables that I can pick easily for daily cooking. The open-air kitchen in the corner fulfills my dream of making breakfast in the garden. I fried eggs and brewed coffee while surrounded by the scent of flowers, starting the day with full energy. The workspace for daily gardening tasks is also well planned. Tasks like preparing fertilizers and repotting plants can be done here without making the living areas messy. Additionally, the added sunlit woodworking shed is the family's proudest design. It not only stores gardening tools, but also provides a space for doing handiwork in leisure time. The newly built fish pond is small and simple, with a few small fish swimming freely in the water. With this lively body of water at home, life seems to gain a touch more vitality. The scattered flower beds are filled with seasonal flowers and plants, offering different scenic views throughout the 4 seasons. Several custom-made flower racks perfectly sized to fit the garden space are unique and arranged in a staggered pleasing order. Now, they are gradually filled with various flower pots, and the blooming and withering of flowers throughout the year always bring new surprises. A white fence encloses the entire garden. It not only defines the garden's boundaries clearly and enhances its appearance overall, but also ensures privacy, allowing people to move around inside more freely. When night falls, the solar-powered lights placed everywhere light up one after another. The warm yellow glow shrouds the garden, creating an immersive, cozy atmosphere. In fact, I was afraid of messing it up at first, worried about insufficient budget and worried that a novice's design couldn't live up to my ideal. But now I realize that garden renovation is never the exclusive domain of professionals, as long as you are willing to put in the effort to figure it out. Even a 15-year-old corner can be transformed into a small space filled with the warmth of life. It is not just a pleasing scenic spot, but a place where my family lives slowly and feels the beauty of life bit by bit. The most precious thing is not how exquisite the garden is, but that in this small haven, everyone can find their own comfort and peace.